Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of our weekly video with Chinex FX. So what we are going to be dealing with today is how to identify fake outs in the Forex chart and how to avoid and trade in the Forex chart very profitably. So join me as we dive in, guys. Alright guys, so just like we always do, we're going to be using an illustration to explain how and why fake outs happen. So fake outs are simply when price seems to break out of a resistance or a support zone, but it reverses and continues to the direction it was supposed to go. So this means that if price was on an uptrend and then it looks like it's going to break and reverse to the downside and it just fakes out and continues to the upside, or if price was ranging just like we have here and then price gets to a particular support or resistance zone and then breaks out of the range and you are thinking, oh, price is about to break out of the range or continue downward or upward, and suddenly it just reverses and continues inside the range. So how do you avoid fake outs? As you can see on my chart, I have a ranging market. So I'm going to be using a ranging market for an example because it usually occurs very much on the ranging market. So right here we have a price ranging in between this resistance level and this support level. First, identify the market structure. We have identified the market is ranging. So guys, right here we have price breakout and then go into the chart again. So to avoid this, to avoid falling into the trap of this fake out, you want to pay close attention to the patterns that are happening here. It's usually a week that price just easy to break out and then there's a momentum, a very heavy momentum to the upside. That means just faked out, took people out and then continue, because a lot of people would have placed their entry here and their stop loss well below this support zone. So they will want to take out those entries and then use a full forced momentum to go upward. So guys, you want to be patient around this zone. You want to pay close attention around key resistance and support zone to avoid fake outs, guys. So basically, for trading ranging market, once price comes to your zone, your support or your key support or your key resistance zone, you want to pay close attention to the wick. So you have to pay close attention, make sure that you have confirmed your entries and your patterns. Confirm your pattern. At least, I always advise for forex traders, you have to have at least 2-3 confirmations for a trade. You have to have 2-3 confirmations so that it validates that, yeah, this trade meets my requirements, guys. Because if you don't have that, you are definitely going to fall for the trap of this. You're definitely going to fall for the trap of fake outs, and there are a lot in the market. There are a lot of fake outs. So for the resistance level, you want to pay close attention to the wicks that occur around this key resistance level. You want to look out for double bottoms above this resistance level. You want to look out for triple bottom. You want to look out for break of structures to the upside on the smaller time frame, guys. So you want to pay close attention to that. But if you don't get these patterns happening, it's possible that price is just trying to fake out and then continue in the direction that it was, guys. So you want to pay close attention to that. So quickly we are going to move over to the live chart so we can look out for possible breakout that has happened in the forex chart, guys. So join me as we dive in. Alright guys, so welcome back. Right here on my screen is USDJPY 15 minutes time frame. So I just want to spot out and show you guys how this fake out happened in the forex market. So as you can see here, we have a chart moving downwards. This is a downtrend. At somewhere around here it starts to consolidate. That means there's a resistance level here, so I'm going to mark that out. So there's a resistance level around here where price is unable to break out from, so I've just marked that out. Then we have a support level right here. As you can see this zone on my screen, if you look, we have a resistance level and a support level right here. We have price ranging or consolidating in between these two zones right here. First, I'm just going to draw this out. Just going to mark this. We had price hitting this zone. First, we had price hitting this zone and then moving downward to hit this zone, this support zone It went upward to confirm the consolidation, the start of the consolidation, guys, remember, and then came down here. It didn't come to the zone, it went back up. So if I was to see this market, I was going to sell from here, right? This is an ideal position to wait and sell from because of this zone right here and this zone right here. So you want to sell from here. So we had the sell, let's say we took the sell, and then price moved downward to the zone, we took our profit. Now there are other guys that are waiting to buy from here because this is a, remember, this is a valid consolidation. There are guys that are waiting. Now this is where everything happens. So remember, we're supposed to buy from this zone, right? And then we are waiting for a confirmation, and the price just breaks below this support zone right here. Now we are looking, wow, price is about to change direction, that it's about to continue downward. So we are waiting for a confirmation. Now this is a fake out, guys. This is a fake out. Why is it a fake out? Because there's no confirmation right here. We just see price breaking below this zone, you know, and a lot of people will be waiting to sell or would have already jumped in on the sell because they don't want to miss out. So this is a fake out, guys. As you can see, there's a high momentum pushing price to the upside, guys. We have more green candles pushing price to the upside. Ways to avoid this are you wait for a confirmation. A lot of people would have, you know, open positions around here, buy positions around here. So this fake out was to take people out of the market and then for price to continue to the upside. So you want to always wait for confirmations around here. You have to get at least 2 or 3 confirmations to be sure that price is really going to continue to the downside, guys. So as you can see here, we had price moving back and then retesting to confirm its movement to the upside, guys. So if I'm to move to the lower time frame, if I have to move to a lower time frame, we'll see that there are a lot of confirmations right here. There are a lot of, you know, patterns that were formed in between these two zones that would have confirmed that, yeah, price is really going to move to the upside. So guys, if you want to always, you know, stay ahead of the market, you want to know those key zones that price is going to possibly create some tricky moves. Also master your entry strategies and your confluences, guys. You need at least 2 confirmations before you can take a trade, so you don't want to fall victim to, you know, fake outs, you know. So guys, that will be all for our YouTube video for this week. I'll see you in the next video. Please do well to like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification to our YouTube channel so as to get notified on whenever we post our YouTube videos. And also, you know, do well to join our Telegram channel. We offer a lot of premium services you will be interested in, so do well to check us out. I'll see you in the next video, same time, same channel. GM, guys.